Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Micah and today we're going to do a little bit of a tech review. We're going to be checking out the Sokani Tiny. I know nothing about this company. I don't know if these are any good, so I want your opinion. I've got the Rode Wireless Go system going on right now, and these are competitors of that. You're going to tell me what you think. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to get it all set up, and then I'm gonna switch off microphones, maybe walk down the street, see how far I can go, that sort of thing. And then you let me know in the comments, which one is better, which one would you buy? And of course, I'm gonna have affiliate links down below. Let's check it out. This is the worst unboxing I've ever done. But you don't come here to watch me unbox stuff. You just wanna know if these are any good. I like that. Comes in a little case. I always enjoy when they give you a case. It just feels more professional. User guide, haha. Cold shoe mount, it's good. Charging cable 1, charging cable 2. Lapel mic, now this is cool because the Rode Wireless Go does not come with its own lapel mic. So if this is good enough quality, I could even use it with my Rode Wireless Go system. Then we have 2 cables. Can you guess what they're for? Yes, one is for your camera and one is for your phone. Now I'm gonna be testing the phone one today. We're just gonna be checking out the comparison of the camera. I threw the wrong cable. They have these little blue tabs which tell you what the cable's for. This one says camera, so that is definitely the one that I wanna use. Right off the bat, I'm gonna say the Rode cable is better. It just feels weightier, feels better. Let's check out the mic and receiver. Turned on the, what is this? The receiver. It's got a plus and minus dB button. So does the Go. It does have a headphone jack, so you can hear it. And it looks like it's fully charged. A lot of times these products do not come fully charged, so that's kind of cool. Now let's turn on this one. There we go. Let's see if they're paired up correctly. They do look paired up correctly. They're talking to one another. You can see, hello, hello, hello. It's talking to each other. It looks pretty good. They do have the little microphone on top, just like the Rode Wireless Go. So I'm gonna switch these out with the Go and see how it works. Check out this size comparison. This one is much more bulky than the Go. Let's switch them out. Now you have it hooked up. Let me put it on just like I had the other one. So now I'm speaking into the Sokani. I'm assuming I'm saying that correctly. And I'm no longer speaking into the Rode Wireless Go. I don't know, you tell me, how does it sound? How's the comparison, the quality? I'm not gonna do any editing to the audio. So you're just gonna hear it raw, levels and all. So hopefully you get a real sense of this. Now, let's do a distance test because that's always fun. Let's do a distance test. I gotta open the garage door. That light's really red. It is sprinkling a little bit, so hopefully that's not gonna be a problem. Okay, so here's the audio from the Sokani. Let's see how far it can go, how far I can talk. Sokani, how far will you go? I'm just looking at normal volume. 3-man down. Talking at a normal volume. All right, so how was that? How was that? Switching to the Go system. Here I am with the Wireless Go system. Let's go see how far it goes. So I'm doing the same thing, walking the same distance, same route. Let's see if you can hear me from over here. I'm just normal volume. See what the distance is for this thing, okay? Then I stopped. I'm gonna go this way now. Let's see if this microphone does the other way. All right, that's about the same thing. I do expect this to be a little bit better than the Sokani just because of the price point. But let's check it out. Okay, so what'd you think? Is the Rode Wireless Go or the Sokani better? Let's go check it out in the edit. So final thoughts after the comparison, after looking at the footage, after hearing the sound, obviously, like I said, the Rode Wireless Go is better than the Sokani. Now, the Sokani price point is about $99 for this whole kit, which is nice. They'd be fine if I were just doing this. If I was just talking closely to the camera, but the moment I turn my back, the signal cannot go through my body. Where the Go does go through my body, for some of it, you saw it in the distance test, and the Go obviously killed these suckers on the distance test. So if you've got $199 laying around instead of $99 laying around, I would recommend the Go. But if you're trying to stay cheap on a budget, and it does come with the lavalier, which is nice, and I didn't even use the lavalier, so it might even sound better if I use the lavalier mic. So tell me what you think. Obviously, affiliate links are below for both of these things. And I'd love it if you would give this channel a subscribe, a like, a comment, something. Let me know that you were here, you engaged. And if this was helpful at all to you, or what you wish I would have done to make it more helpful. God bless you. See you in the next one.